Hey folks, AJ the CEO here. We are back at First Union Baptist Church to resolve something I brought up in a video before. Here, we're using the Thor HDMI transmitter to send a signal here. And because there's no direct sound, it works fine. But since we are here in the fellowship hall, originally they had a wire ran from the sound system here. So when there's a service going on, the audio is coming faster than here. So what we need to do is take a few things here and how we're going to resolve this issue. It all depends on the TV. And I actually did this at Antioch as well too. Let me take you behind this TV that they got. So the coax is going to send video and audio, obviously. But what we're going to do is use the digital audio out, and we're going to send that, and that is going to be the source that we send over to the sound system in here, instead of trying to go to the direct line that they ran originally that was coming over here. So I already got a plate, and I already saw the cables. They actually had this set up originally anyway when they had a Blu-ray player and stuff sitting over here. So the RCA cables are up here somewhere, and I saw them. I just got to bring them down, and we have a digital to analog audio converter. Real simple, $15. So we're going to have a SPDIF cable going to here that comes from the back of the TV, give it some power, then it turns into RCA. RCA is going to be coupled onto the existing RCA cables that are already going to the audio system, and that is it. So let's make sure we got this here. The link will be down below to everything that we're using for this. So one of these is the input that's already ran back here. And I'll be able to tell because that's the cable right there. And that's the one I'm pulling on. So right here. So it's what channel is that? I can't tell from here. Oh, it's listed TV. So it's already labeled anyway. So this is how we're going to do that. So all we got to do is couple onto that and we'll be good to go. And then we need to find out where the sanctuary is, because we need to kill that feed. We don't want that coming in at all. So I'm gonna probably play something. Well, that won't work because we need somebody to actually be talking to keep it in sync. But anyway, we already got this, so I just need to find where that cable is, run it down the wall into this pocket, and then add. I have a 3 keystone plate that I already put together, with 2 RCAs and then the coax to replace the one that's already in the wall right now. So let's take that off a layer and get everything set up. All right, so the box here the hole was too small, so I just cut a hole in the back so that I can fish all of these cables through. There's 2 RCA cables and an additional RG6 cable that is ultimately going to replace the one that I'm using as a pull string. So now let's go up in the attic again, pull this, put the couplers on here, and then test. Alright, so I had to cut out the old box because the hole wasn't big enough for me to run all these cables. These are the cables. Ran from upstairs. Get the other end of it. There you go. There. So we're going to terminate this in. I need to get a low voltage box and then put this, then go back, crimp the other side, and then we're done. Alrighty folks, we are Done. Boom, there we go right there. Let me turn this around. Got the box here, optical cable going out to the TV. So let's just verify the settings on the TV. And what are we gonna get? Are we gonna get sound? All right, let's see. All right, first, let's go to our audio settings. All right, good. It's actually set to optical out and TV out, so that's good. So technically, there shouldn't be anything else we need to do. All right, that's that.
And we're just getting started.
Alrighty, and as you can see, the TV volume is at nothing.
But if she went out with some other dude, you'd be cool with it.
Alrighty, so everything is all done. Yay! I think while I'm here, I'm gonna go ahead and change that Thor channel to something different. I know I can't do that because all the TV's already set to that. Oh well, I'm done. So let me turn the system off and be out of here. But that's pretty much it. That's one of the issues with the Thor broadcasting unit that you just got to be mindful of. The fact that they already had audio coming all the way over here was a problem. Trying to find the off switch. There we go. Oh no, actually, they got it all hooked up to a surge protector. So we'll just turn that off. Yay. So anyway, okay. That's one of the issues with the Thor broadcasting unit. You just got to be mindful of that. You got to make sure that if audio is coming directly over here, which they did originally with the speakers, because the Thor takes time to process and compress the video and audio before they send it over coax, it's going to be delayed. So now I turned off the channel, and I guess I should unplug it. The whole sanctuary, I should completely remove it so there's no issue of doing that again. But once they turn it on, it should be done. So I think all the parts to do this were like $40. So not a lot, but just got to be mindful of what you're doing. So I'm just going to leave that unplugged, or maybe loop it around here or something like that. So now, and let's mute it. So they're gonna come in here as well too. So they should be good to go there. But link is down below to everything that I used. Let me move my stuff outside and then back to another project. Like this type of content, yeah, y'all know the stuff. Click like if you like the stuff, folks, and we'll catch you on the next video. Later.